Class 10 students, today we will study about the real numbers and its application to different parts in maths or in the number system. So before you know the real numbers, let's study what are the different number systems. Like first it was natural numbers. So natural numbers symbolized as in starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then we started whole numbers. Whole numbers में started again with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Look at, in the natural number 0 was not there, it was introduced in the set of whole numbers. Then we started with integers. Integers symbolized as z. That means it includes 0, 1, 2, all these. Also negative numbers, negative integers are included here. So that is whole set of integers, means all the positive integral numbers, negative integral numbers. That will be called as integers. Now what you say is you never find the fractions here. Then it starts with another one, rational numbers. So that is Q. What is extra you find? Though you find 0, you find 1, but the fractions in between you get. So when fraction is included, two, 5 by 2, 3, minus 1, minus 1 and so on. That means all the fractions, all the integers, will be calling them as rational numbers. Then what about irrational numbers? Whose square root you cannot find out, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, all this. So when you combine rational and irrational, when they are taken together, you find the real numbers. So now our real number will be all the integers like 0, 1, 2, all the fractions, all the square root numbers, negative numbers and so on. All the negative integers, negative fractions, square root none, whose square root cannot be found out, when they are combined they are called real numbers, symbolized as it is R. So we will be studying in this chapter about this set of real numbers. Again we need little background on this. So background means what are called prime numbers. The number divisible by 1 and itself. Number divisible by 1 and itself. Like Suppose I write 1 not a prime number. 2 is the least prime number. 2 is the least prime number. 3 is a prime number. 4 is not a prime number. 5 is a prime number because divisible by 1 and 5, divisible by 1 and 3, divisible by 1 and 2. That is the least prime number is 2, 5, 7 and so on. The numbers which are not prime will be called as composite numbers. That is, numbers which are not prime. The numbers which are not prime, like that is, they have the factors. The least composite number is, remember, this is your least prime number. Least composite number is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 4 is least composite. 10 के बाद, sorry, 9 is here. 10, 12. Least composite number is 4. What is that? Be clear on this. So when I write 4, I have two factors, 2. When I write 6, I have factors 2 and 3. So when they have factors like this, prime factors, they will be called as composite numbers. So these are the background about the number system. Today we will study about the Euclid lemma, Euclid division lemma. So in the Euclid division lemma, we write the definition here. Let A and B are any two integers where A is greater than B. A is greater than B, then we can write A equals to BQ plus R. A equals to BQ plus R, where the value of R is between A and B, 0 and B. This is important for you. A equals to BQ plus R, where A is greater than B. To understand this, I will take a small example. Suppose we have two numbers 4 and 12. Here A will be 12, B will be 4. So when you divide 12 with 4, You get 4 3 is 12, remainder is 0. So what you call, this is A, this is B, this is Q, this is R, small r. A equals to BQ plus R. That means, what is this? Dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is what you define as Euclid lemma. Then where are you going to use this? We are going to use this to find the HCF of two numbers. Question will be using Euclid's lemma, find the HCF of four and 42. So in this case, what you have to do is, so Euclid lemma means A equals to 42, B equals to 4. So like this, first you divide 42, if you divide it 4, 4 1s are 4, then 2 comes down, 4 will not go to 2, 0. That means 4 times 10 plus 2. So 42 equals to BQ. B means 4 times 2, 10 plus 2. 4 times 2, 10 plus 2. So again what you have to do is, you have to take these two numbers. So first pair was 42 4. Second pair will be 10 and 2. 10 and 2. So divide again. 10 with 2, 2 5s are 10, remainder is 0. So 10 equals to 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 5 plus 0. So when R is 0, R became 0 here. This B, this is Q for you. This B is your HCF.